This is how you're gonna plant chocos. So, sayote in Filipino. So, diba, you have this whole fruit of choco, and then, as you have noticed, the pips is coming out. This one, sometimes not this one, but only this one. So, what you have to do is you don't need to plant the whole fruit on the soil or on the dirt, as you are just going to waste the flesh of the fruit. You can still eat this, but what you're gonna do is just remove the pips. So just get a slice, just like that. Yeah. Just be careful. Just be careful that when you're pulling out the pips, you're not gonna break here. You're not gonna break this. Sorry for my fingers dirty because I'm planting. Because if you're gonna break this, the tendency is the pips will not grow. See? So you can use this side of the fruit to cook, and you're just gonna use the pips or the seeds of the choco. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a water in a small container, and then I'm just gonna leave this pips of the choco and soak it for 1 week until it will grow roots over here. Okay, so I'm gonna update you guys. As you can see, we have more here, so you just need to remove the pips, not plant the whole stuff, because you're gonna waste the whole thing. Okay, so guys, here you go guys, ang ating chocos for a few days. Ayan, may ugat na siya, as you can see. Let's bring them down. Ayan. And chocos seeds like to drink a lot of water. When it's a lot of water, they grow very fast. So here you go, the choco seeds that we have. Ililipat ko na siya. I'm gonna transfer it dito sa seedling tubes natin na may lupa. And then we will wait for more couple of days para umusbong yung babies, little seedlings, little leaf. So we're just gonna press them down a little bit, just like that. And the other one too. See, they have the roots already. So that's the sign that your choco is alive. And as you can see, they will have green. The seeds will change its color to green around here. So yeah, you're not gonna dig the whole seeds, just dig them half through. Ito, a lot of roots. Yeah. I'm using this one. Healthy Choko.